Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, northeastern Pulaski County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, southern Johnson County, Illinois, north central Ballard County, Kentucky, northwestern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dongala, or 8 miles southeast of Enna, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Vienna, Dongala, Karnak, Cypress, New Grand Chain, and Belknap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 15 and 24. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 19 and 32. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson, Massac, Pulaski, and Union, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard and McCracken. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe